We'll guide you through how to remove the background in Inkscape. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer and load the image you want to edit by clicking on File and then Open. Once your image is loaded, you need to select it by clicking on it. Next, go to the Path menu at the top and choose Trace Bitmap. This action will open a new window where you can configure the trace settings. In the Trace Bitmap window, you have several options, but for a simple background removal, choose the Vrinens cutoff option and adjust the threshold until the preview looks good. Then click OK. This will create a vector version of your image on top of the original. Now you can move the vector image aside and delete the original raster image. With the vector image selected, press Shift and Control and G to ungroup the elements. After ungrouping, click outside the selection to deselect everything, then click on the background part you want to remove and press Delete. You might need to repeat this for different sections if the background is complex. Once you're satisfied with the result, you should group the elements back together by selecting everything and pressing Control and G. Finally, go to File and choose Export to save your image with the background removed. Choose the desired file format and export location, then click Export to complete the process. That's it. Your image now has a transparent background. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.